Hey, Shaniqua. Okay, I'm just kidding. I call everyone Shaniqua. You know, my ghetto name is Shaquandra. You know how I do. I gotta do my weave, get my hair did on the front step. You know how we do. So, I'm Peslo. I'm from the ghetto. I'm Guatemalan. I love Avril Lavigne so much. Um, yeah, when I get older, I might do like that clothing line thing. So you better wear my clothes or I'll cut you down. JK. Yeah. So I'm recording a video on YouTube. Duh. Yeah, so I'm Peslo, obviously. I'm 16. Birthday's in April. I want to move to Italy, so that's all you need to know about me. Okay?